Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a smart way to manage your garage access, make sure you hit that subscribe button because today we are looking at the Chamberlain myQ Smart Garage Door video. Keypad. This white unit brings a lot of features right to your exterior wall. It offers a wide-angle HD camera so you get a great view of your driveway and door. You've got advanced motion detection and the ability to receive real-time notifications directly to your smartphone via the myQ app. A standout feature is the two-way audio, letting you communicate with anyone at your door. You can manage entry for family or service providers by creating and sharing unique, customizable PIN codes right from the app, even setting them for specific times. It works seamlessly with Chamberlain, LiftMaster, and Craftsman openers manufactured after 1993, connecting via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. You get built-in night vision and a light for better visibility. Now, while there's a free trial included, premium features like AI-powered detection for people and packages, plus recorded history, do require a subscription. The unit is battery-powered, using one lithium-ion battery which is included, though there is an optional power adapter kit available for wired operation. It's designed for outdoor use with an IP65 rating, making it water-resistant. Installation is DIY-friendly. Overall, it's a comprehensive security and convenience upgrade for your garage. Let me know in the comments what you think.